What's up, guys? Pandora, the postcard diva. I'm back. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Hope you're having a marvelous Tuesday today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I'm back with a quick update for Herculist. Talked to you guys yesterday. Showed you this resource that you can use. You can set up a free account right now. The link is in the description. And that way, with a free account, you can send out to 1,000 people per day. Okay? An email blast to 1,000 members. Okay? These are real people a day. But if you decide to upgrade, we talked about that, and spend $49 one time for the whole year, well, forever. It's forever, unlimited, okay? Lifetime access, 49 bucks one time. You're able to mail out to, let's see where we are today, 378,310 members you can reach every day. All right, that's what that gives you access to. All right, so that you can mail every day. Okay, that's a lot of folks versus 1,000 people, right? So anyway, you can upgrade to that one if you so choose to. But want to come back and just show you that Herculist. Remember, I had $49.50. I kept saying $49.40. $49.50 in commissions. They did pay me out. I requested it yesterday. Take a look. Here it is right here. Boom, boom, boom. See? All right. So Herculist absolutely pays. So this is a great resource, though. This is not just some trash, right? This is a great resource that every internet marketer, affiliate marketer, digital marketer, network marketer could use, okay? Because we all need eyeballs looking at our opportunity every day, all day. And this is a great way to do it via Herculist. Sending your email out every day. And then being also able to do the hourly. They're allowing us to have an hourly. See, it's telling me I sent this yesterday, right? I can go in here right now and do this. But they also give us the hourly. Okay, that's powerful. Every hour, literally, you can go in here. See right here, the drop down. Every hour on the hour. So that's literally 24 times a day that you can send out these blasts. Okay, to 378,310 members. That's powerful, guys. Very powerful. Okay, you're in business. You've got to send people to your offer. Then they have these solo ads if you're interested in that. This one is 20 bucks. It shows you here all the submissions that they're going to send for you. All right, and then they reward you, which is cool because you're offering a great service to your colleagues. All right, and they've been around since 2001. This is the real deal. This is a real company here. All right, so just wanted to come back and show you guys that. So go ahead and get signed up today. Again, you can do the free account, okay? And you even earn on the free account if you refer others. It's just that you're limited to only sending your blast to 1,000 people versus this one. If you spend $49 and become a lifetime gold member, you can send it to 378,000 per day. Okay? So pretty cool stuff here. Go check this thing out. But I want to come back and just show you that they did pay out. Okay. Thank you so much. Shout out to Herculist for doing what they say they're going to do. This is not new. I just hadn't been talking about it. But I want to continue to share these resources with you guys. Yes, we talk about these programs that you can join to make money, but you need to get people to them. So this is in addition to me doing my regular marketing, of course, right? This is just a daily task that I do every day, okay? Send this blast out every day, all right? Sometimes I do it every other day, but I make it a task that I do, okay? So you do this, and then, of course, you do your normal marketing, your social media marketing. All right. So this is a part of your daily income producing activities. Get eyeballs to your opportunity. It's very important. You're not in business if you're not getting people to look at your opportunity. You can join a business. It can be the best business in the world. But if people are not checking it out, you're not in business, right? All right, so that's it. That's all. Just wanted to come back and show you guys that Herculist did come through as usual. I just haven't been showing you guys that, but I thought I'd show you that today. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.